More than 150 fires are burning across the Carolinas tonight, forcing residents in both states to evacuate. Massive flames engulf neighborhoods in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. You can see embers flying into the air and plumes of thick smoke. The governor of South Carolina has declared a state of emergency to step up the response. The state National Guard also deployed 2 Black Hawk helicopters to help fight those flames.
We looked out our kitchen window and you could see the flames as high as the trees.
Everything burnt to a crisp. Never seen anything like this.
Experts say the combination of dry vegetation and low humidity are raising concerns for more dangerous fires in the region tomorrow.